Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Aloo Dum without onion and garlic. It is very easy to make and super delicious. Let's get started. Firstly, take 500 grams of small or medium sized potato and cut each into halves. Take water in a karai and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now boil the potato until they become soft. Peel off the skin and after cooling keep aside. Let's make a special masala, that is bhaja masala, with 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 dry red chili, 1 green cardamom, 1 clove and an inch of cinnamon stick. Then dry roast mixture of all the masala on a low flame until a nice aroma comes out. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a small bowl for cooling to room temperature. Now take the fried masala mixture in a small jar of a mixer grinder and make a powder out of it. Keep it in a airtight container. Take 1 tablespoon of mustard oil on a hot karai and fry the boiled potato with half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and keep watching more amazing recipes in the future. Fry until golden and keep aside. Again add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When it is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. When a nice aroma comes out, add 3 large finely chopped tomatoes. And half teaspoon of salt and cook until soft. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, one teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook until the oil separates. Now add half cup of green peas and cook for half a minute. Let's add fried potato and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Then add 1/2 cup of hot water and make the flame medium. When it starts boiling, cover it with a lid and make the flame low. Cook for 5 minutes. Open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon of previously made bhaja masala, 4 slightly slit green chilies and handful of chopped coriander. Cover it with a lid and cook for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and give a standing time of 5 minutes. Serve with hot luchi or parantha. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments on the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.